Hello friends, it's Jeff here and welcome to my corner. Now if you think you've seen it all with Tamiya, then think again. Look what I got in the mail today. They're brand new KV-1 model 1941 early production. Now this is an absolute brand new kit, a brand new tooling, and the release date is going to be sometime around probably May, maybe mid-May. Again, don't quote me on that because with the coronavirus and the whole COVID-19 issue, there might be some delay, but hopefully not. I'm sure of one thing is that it's in the current box, it's in the final stages actually, so it can't be too much longer before these things will hit the shelf and be on your desk. And what I'm going to do today is we're going to do a quick inbox review, see what's all out there, what's all in there. And then later on I'm going to build this kit. I'm going to do like a two-part video about building the kit and then eventually painting and weathering. But for now, we're just going to open the box and see what's in it. Now before I do that, I just want to extend my gratitude to Tamiya America for sending me this kit and for letting me review it. So thank you again. And without further ado, let's go to the other table and open the box and see what's in it. After that, we'll come back for some final thoughts. Well, as always, I'm always stunned with the artwork that there is. If you don't have a lot of documentation about this tank, when you look at the artwork, I mean, the detail is all there, so that's already a plus. Every time when you get like a Tamiya kit, you can actually build it like straight out of the box and just copy the weathering and the painting scheme that they did on there. So that's already a plus for me. So here we have the instructions. As I mentioned earlier, the kit is actually not all that complicated, so that is a plus these days, because sometimes you have these other companies and you know you almost spend like a couple days just putting the chassis together. Although this chassis is, as you can see, it's in different pieces. I don't think, especially because of Tamiya has a very good reputation in fitting, so I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. But other than that, you know, the instructions are they're normal from Tamiya, very clear, very explanatory, so no problems there. And see, you get like a paint scheme here. Hopefully there's not too much glare on this, but again, you got the paint scheme here. Of course, a little bit of history. And then we have, I think this is just, okay, it says like tech tips. It's just a leaflet that they put in there just to give you some hints, I guess, and tips and techniques. So the first thing that we have here is the bottom and the upper hull, actually. Well, actually the complete hull. But again, hopefully this the camera will do it justice, but it's absolutely beautiful. The way that they have all these rivets, and also like the bottom of the chassis here. I mean, it's just absolutely great work. Typical, of course, Tamiya. Beautiful, and you can already have the feel. You know, you feel already that you're dealing with quality here. So next thing is, of course, we have the road wheels here. We have two sprues, and then we have the road wheels, the idlers, sprockets, some extra, I think it's extra storage or stowage cases, and it's all crisp. There's no flash, absolutely refined. So beautiful. Then here we have, these are probably the mud guards here. Yeah, mud guards. We have the front. Then some other stuff, that's small detail. Not much I can say about that. Then we have the turret. This is the complete turret, and this is where they really shine with this kit. This is where it really the detail and the craftsmanship that they put into this kit is with the turret, because you get all this surface detail, you know, where like a welded, not a welded, but a cast turret actually, and it shows, you know, the relief that's on there. It's just phenomenal. As with everything else, the front plate here, it's beautiful. I don't know, I'm not sure you can see it all that clear, but again, I will do a build video, and in that build video I will go more into detail. I just wanted to show you guys what's in the kit. But the hull is one of the prominent parts that you can tell that they really up the ante with this. And then of course, last but not least, as far as the plastic is concerned, are the tracks. Now this again is something, I mean, it's maybe been done before, but not to such a quality, because here you get those complete pieces here. This is the top, and you get these stretch of track links, and then of course the rest you have to assemble. But they even have the wave in there, you know, and that by itself is already fantastic, because if you have in the previous kits they have like those rubber tracks, and that's a hard thing to really make it basically fit on the rollers, but this is already pre-done. So and also as far as the detail, there are some pin marks in there, but you know, they're where the road wheels are, so you're never going to see those. So other than that, I don't think there's any cleaning up to do. Just put them together and add them to the tank. Very, very beautiful rendered. And then of course we have the decals here. Again, we will come back once we put the kit together. And then we have a couple, there is a clear sprue with the lights, the headlights I guess, or at least one headlight. And then there is a piece of cable, and of course some rubber. So again, I can't wait to put this all together, and that is going to be a joy to build. So again, I mean, what can I say? They did it again. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you think you've seen it all with Tamiya, the next kit that they come out with, they blow you out of the water. Did the same thing again with this KV-1, and especially the way that they incorporated the surface detail on this kit is just phenomenal. I've never seen that before. Also the engineering, it's in a way, it's not a complicated kit, and still they were able to capture all the detail. And then of course the way that they set up the tracks, very, very nice. So honestly, I can't wait to get to cut some plastic and start gluing. And as soon as we hang up here, I'm probably gonna do that. So that's for now. Of course, as I also mentioned, I'm gonna do a two-part video on this. First, hopefully by early next week, I will be ready with the build. And then after that, we're gonna do the painting session, and then hopefully that will be ready soon after. And of course, I will document that too. But for now, that was it. Again, these are very uncertain times. Be very careful out there. Wash your hands, keep your distance, and stay safe. For now, that's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my website. Please like us on Facebook, and I'll see you guys later. Jeff E here, signing off.